to JP's house. We're gonna go work on his coilovers for his STI. At least it's not raining today. It's been raining all week. Okay, so a little backstory on JP's STI. He purchased it, and literally after a few days of driving it, he gets a check engine light. Fast forward, puts his car in the shop for what seemed like a month and a half to 2 months, gets it back, another check engine light, dealing with misfire, couldn't figure it out, brought it back, said it was all fixed, and another check engine light. So he got his car back yesterday. He's been wanting to put these coilovers on there for a while now. I feel bad for the guy, because I mean, when I get my stuff, I want to put it on my car right away too, but at the same time, I was, skeptical of like putting these coilovers on and then his car going back to the shop for another, week to 2 weeks again. So, long story short, we're just, trusting that his car is fixed, and we're gonna throw on those Fortunato coils. So yeah, we're headed over to his house. I'm actually meeting with my cousin there too. We have some stuff to do on his car as well as my daily. I'm in the Subaru right now, so. I'm over here at JP's house, and we are gonna work on this PO.
So is that the right piece?
Yep, that's it.
So I didn't have to take any of this shit off?
No, that you have to take off.
Yeah, but
Oh no, that you don't have to take off. No, but you're gonna want to. We're gonna want to move this. If you could remove it just from this, that's it. Just this.
This is why I'm afraid of it.
We are going to open this shiz up. So actually, it's, what was it? Form and function?
Function and form.
Function and form coilovers. What did I say? What did I think they were?
Fortunato.
Fortunato. Ooh, instructions. Ooh, those are nice. Those are nice.
So I believe these are stage 3, which have rebuildable internals.
And they have the eye box springs in them, right?
Yep.
Nice. It's about time. Hopefully your car doesn't get another check engine light.
Shut up. They replaced both relays and the fuse to the relays.
Oh
so if it's anything to do with that, I have no idea what the hell it is now.
So let's hope that JP's car doesn't throw a code after this, because I'm pissed.
You're gonna be pissed.
Gosh damn it, JP.
Where's your cousin? He drives slower than you do.
Hey, you know what's funny? The OSC, there's a OS Occupational Skills Center. That's where I went there.
Oh my god.
So I was like, hey, I know this place. I did auto tech over there. Look at that camper though. How come we don't... Dude, shut up. Let's go. Fuck. Dude, this thing is huge. What the hell, bro? This is a possible.
When I go camping.
Let's go do a road fucking trip, man.
Where do you want to go? I'm game.
That's fucking ridiculous.
I don't mess around.
Right here. Just come in here. Sounds so quiet.
You can get a little closer.
I know.
What's up, ladies? You can't get into his car. Oh, well, I'm driving him.
No,
You're
we're
not driving?
I'm driving this.
No, I need to put miles. Remember, I gotta get the driver's
okay.
the drive cycle.
Okay.
You want to
let's
drive?
go.
I'm not gonna.
I got a new mic.
It's pretty sweet. It's very fuzzy.
Yeah.
It's a fuzzy little guy.
Call it the little tail cat.
A little Furby.
All right, let's go get some food.
Alright, do it.
JP, you can sit in the front.
I'll wait for him to back out.
Thanks, Jippy.
No, thank you guys for coming over and helping me.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Really?
Did you install that?
No.
I was sincere. I used to say I was sincere.
me remove?
The whack-a-mole hammer.
Well, that's usually all you can do with that one. So we got the suspension out literally in like 2 minutes.
Each side, 60 seconds.
Because of this, anybody wants to be lazy and wants your job to go quick, I'm telling you, this is worth it right here. All right, let's put the. So these go here, and this one goes like this once it's all said and done. Good, and it's already drilled for those. That's perfect. Shut up! Just kidding. Make sure you clear that oil pan. Push forward.
Yeah, it is, and I can't get the jack out.
So JP wanted us to lower the coils even more, and he can't even get his stupid non-low pro jack. His jack is as old. His jack is as old as I am.
It's probably old. How old are you? What? You're 20. You're 31.
You know you're gonna need.
No, it's not that old.
You know you're gonna need a low pro jack now.
I
Yeah.
do know that.
This car, yeah.
Let's go to Harbor Freight. I love this thing, man. It takes like forever to take off just a wheel. Okay, here we go.
Like it's a motherfucking Sunday, and you cruising down Crenshaw in a motherfucking 6 truck.
So these you have to remove.
Like it's your words, look at this shit. Stop playing around. We can fuck up. There you go.
This down. And everything else should go pretty nice. You did it? This guy. So kids, don't try this at home. We didn't have a spring compressor, and because we needed to reuse his old top hats. But what we did, we used some tie-down straps to. Yeah, you definitely don't want to do it that way because it's dangerous and you might lose a jaw. But we used tie-down straps to compress the springs, so that way we can reuse the old top hats. So.
It's not that bad.
That was nothing.
Still, man, it's still scary.
So at least we know we can use tie-down straps whenever we need to release spring pressure.
So we gotta reuse these
A little bit more.
Okay, slowly. Go.
In?
Yep. Dang, that was the easiest coil swap I think I've ever done in my life.
What that is?
Something about it just going, it's just wrong.
Yeah.
It feels wrong. Oh, we put the wrong sides!
What? What the fuck did you do?
These are supposed to go in the front.
Shit, you're full of shit.
Okay, tighten the top, Justin.
That's how you do. That's how you do.
Ah! That's scary, bro.
What size of the lug nuts?
19.
Alright, so we're
What
taking
shit?
off the top hat on JP's stock. We didn't have a spring compressor, so I decided to throw some tie straps down on it, and there is your compressed spring. Swapping out to some iBox. Almost halfway done through this project. We'll report back to you later.